on? Good morning. I am whipping us up some breakfast right now. It's actually brownie batter, but I wanted to tell y'all good morning. Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, cause you can't stop it from shining through.
You want any corn dogs? Want any corn dogs? Come on. Oh my gosh. This is the hardest thing I've tried to do. Here we go, here we go. Corn dog city. You're a dog. Wait, I did it, buddy. You're a dog. I'm a dog.
I'm just showing him. I'm showing him the genuine you. I was laughing. I was sitting there eating. She's like, corn dogs. We're making corn dogs. I just went and like grabbed the camera and started filming up against the wall.
Do you want any corn dogs? We're making.
What was that song?
Corn dogs. We're making corn dogs.
I just took a shower, the first one in 6 days, and no, I'm kidding. But I just took a shower, and every time I've been taking a shower, Rachel can literally smell it when I put on shampoo in the shower. She's like yelling out like, "You're putting on your shampoo," or whatever. I'm like, what on earth?
Strong. Oh.
I think that's pregnancy nose at its finest.
Then he like leans into me, and I'm like, "Oh, honey, you're so strong."
You smell so good, but I can't handle it.
I can't. It's too strong.
And then I got Pringles that are flavored, and apparently she has like a heightened sense of taste, and so like it's just like a normal flavored Pringles. And
no, they're not normal.
Yeah, they're like sour cream. What are they? The ranch.
Ranch tortilla chip. Don't recommend them. Don't get
what?
them.
No, they're good.
No, you even said
but
they're gross. They're gross.
I did not say they're gross.
They're gross. Don't get them.
What is that noise? Rachel and I were taking a nap together. I think a fire alarm's going off. What is that? I think there's firemen outside my home. What on earth is going on here? Huh. Hey, honey. As it turns out, one of our neighbors was cooking, and that is how it happened. Our neighbor's fire alarm's going off. Cooking again.
Classic. It's like
classic. Classic army wives cooking. America strong.
What do you guys want to show me right there?
Yep. I got it.
You got it?
Yep, that's what I said.
What's up, Earls fam? You guys, I have on a dress today. Wowzers. I mean, not really today because it's like nighttime, almost 6 p.m. But I'm going over to celebrate my friend Chelsea's birthday. Her birthday was like last week or something, so a bunch of us girls are getting together. So I'm doing that, and hopefully I'll feel good during the whole time. So cross your fingers for me. So, and with all my girls, Kayla, where you at? And so we're celebrating Chelsea's birthday, but she brought me something, which I'm still so confused about. But I'm gonna open it because I'm excited.
This was from the photo shoot I did, and I snagged one of the shirts.
Grace and coffee.
Oh,
I love that. That's so cute, Chels. Oh my gosh, where did you get all this? Oh my
Target.
gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh.
I tried to make it gender neutral.
Oh my god, it's so funny. Everything has been elephant so far, even for my mom. Like she bought a onesie the first like when we told her that night. Oh my gosh, these are the cutest things ever. And it has an elephant on it too. Oh my gosh. Is this like a towel with a hat thing? Shut up! Oh, so cute. Oh, Chelsea, thank you. You guys, I just got back. Whoa, the puppies are going crazy. Okay, let's go say hi to Daddy.
Dad and the dogs missed Mom like crazy. We did.
We are about to make the goods. Harold's gonna make some chocolate milk.
Have you read this?
No, not yet. I'm making some popcorn, and we're gonna watch a new show.
Bro, Sam, I don't even know if we're vlogging today. I don't think we are. But my wife's in there. She hasn't been feeling good today. But I am headed to the store because she wants me to get her like 10 packs of chocolate pudding and what is it, pink lemonade, Crystal Light? A whole bunch of both because she wants them really bad, and she's like, I am hangry and I need them now. So I think this is pregnancy cravings at its finest, because that is pretty random. She's never craved or even wanted either one of those, I think, before in her life. What am I getting again?
Pudding and Crystal Light. Oh, please.
I'm at Walmart now and Rachel keeps bombarding me with a bunch of text messages on all the stuff she wants. Here's all the stuff that she wants. String cheese, jello, popsicles, mashed potatoes, block of cheddar cheese, oranges. I love you, my superhero. Oh man. I'm assuming this is normal that every woman when they're pregnant has crazy cravings because the list keeps growing. She keeps texting me and it keeps getting bigger and bigger. I got a little detour over here. Had to come by and check this stuff out. I bet y'all are probably excited as I am that literally one day we're gonna have like a van full of car seats. How cool is it if we have like 6 or 7 kids? It'll be nuts. First one is on the way. Thinking about getting Rachel a little gift. I'm trying to find a baby thing. I am not good at which ones to choose. This is kind of hard. Earl's fan, what do you guys think about this one here? I think I may get this one. It's kind of like a neutral, you know, it could be a boy or a girl. I don't know. I think I'm gonna get this one for Rachel and for our baby. Man, both of these are super cute. I don't know which one to choose. This one's awesome too. Look at all this crazy stuff that she sent me. You need some cheese? We got some cheese. We got some mac and cheese, some string cheese, every kind of cheese you need.
Wait, where's real cheese? Cheese!
And a block of cheese. Just craving a block of cheese and string cheese, huh?
Yeah.
Both of them. I had to get string cheese and a block of cheese.
Ooh.
Close your eyes. I also got you something else. Okay, you can open your eyes now.
Oh.
I got us a baby thing. Isn't this awesome?
Gosh, honey, it's so cute.
Do you like it?
Everybody keeps buying. Everything we have has an
Everybody,
elephant.
I'm the dad of our baby.
I know, but everything we have has elephants on it.
It's the only one. I had to work with it.
Oh, it's so cute.
Do you like it? Isn't it cute?
It.
Raspberry, how do you like it?
I want to eat my cheese. Alright you guys, I did not end this vlog because actually this vlog is over the span of like 3 different days. I took some footage from another vlog when we had a lot of footage and we just didn't use it because y'all, it's getting so much harder for me to vlog just because I've been feeling so bad the last few days. I've just been so tired and so nauseous. So we're trying, but just bear with me. I don't know, it might just be like every other day for a little bit until I can just kind of get back up on my feet, but I'm still trying. But I just wanted to let you guys know that is kind of why this vlog is a little bit all over the place, because it's actually from 3 days. But thank you guys for the love and support always, and love God, love people, make a difference, and be thankful. And we'll see you guys in our next vlog. Hopefully it won't be too long before the next vlog. All right, love you guys, bye.